Can a garage be a perfect place for a home studio? Let's go find out. Lara Grauer. Hi, Lara.
Hi.
We are here in Seattle, hence the jean jackets. That's how you roll in Seattle. And we're going to find out what the studio looks like. Let's take a look inside.
Well, when we first moved in, it was really a garage.
Okay.
Like studs
Doors.
and insulation and junky everything. And then Megan DePiro said, Lara, what would you feel like if you were a client coming into this experience? And so this is what we did.
Now, why did you choose a home studio, garage studio versus renting? What's the rent like out here?
Oh my gosh, rent is crazy. I mean, 1,000 square feet could easily be $5,000 a month.
Ah, 5,000. So this is much better because
Yes.
this is free. Obviously, you're showing wall art on the walls. You're telling your clients the kinds of things you can make. Speaking of wall art, Lara, what has been the biggest sale you've ever had?
My biggest sale was about $12,000.
$12,000 here in the studio.
In the studio,
In a
that
garage.
is correct.
Okay, everyone, you can have $12,000 sales in a garage studio.
Yes.
Put me in a pose, Lara. Where is your favorite place to shoot here in the studio?
Here we go. This is our spot. All right, looking so good, Megan. Let's bring your chin down just a little bit. Awesome. Thank you.
So you use all parts of your studio and like this space. Tell me about this window right here. What do you do with that?
First, I wanted to do like wall leans and have some window light opportunities, so I didn't always have to use my lights. But one thing that's become used kind of a lot for branding stuff is to have people stand in the doorway, and I'm standing outside shooting back on them. All right, looking good, Megan. Thank you. Let's see. Let's bring your chin down a little. Perfect.